To create a JFrog account, you can easily set up an account to manage your software artifacts, build pipelines, and deployment workflows. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit JFrog's website. Go to JFrog and click on Sign Up in the top right corner of the page. Fill out the registration form. Provide your email address, full name, company name, and create a secure password. Choose your plan. JFrog offers different tiers such as Community, Pro, or Enterprise. Select the appropriate plan based on your needs. Verify your email. After submitting your registration form, you will receive a verification email. Open your inbox, click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Log into your JFrog account. Once your email is verified, log into the JFrog platform using your credentials. Set up your JFrog instance. After logging in, you may need to set up your JFrog Artifactory instance, including configuring repositories, permissions, and integrations with CI/CD tools. Explore features. JFrog offers features like artifact management, version control, and integration with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and more.